Hello everybody, I am here in Foreign. If you look around me, you see the nice green grassery. What's up guys, I am here. We're on the delivery trail. Guys, look here. This package is almost as tall as I am. So guys, we're here delivering, and I just wanted to take the time out to remind you that you need to go to our website, scroll down all the way to the end of the website. You're gonna see a little word, promotions. I want you to click on that word. There are so many promotions, guys. I can't remember all of them. Remember, go to our website, go all the way down and look for promotions. Click on that link. Voila, you're gonna see all our many promotions. Guys, do it. Even you ladies who love to shop on Shein and AliExpress and all of those websites, we have promotions for those too. So listen, go ahead, click on that link and check it out. Alright? Fabian is here for the package. But then I talk too long. Fabian say hi to the guys for me, please. Tell them, say, listen, talk now. I need to do my business. Alright guys, catch you later. Package is almost as tall as I am. Bye and drone out. Woo! What's the drone? Bye!